ko. Kasi alam kong, this is my first adaptation eh. So kinakabahan ako, pangarap ko pong magkaroon ng adaptation. So biglang, hanggang mangyayari na, lagi kong katext si Boss Vincent, tinetext ko si Boss Vic. Natawagan ko siya, Boss, kaya ko na ba ito? Kaya mo yan! So okay, kaya ko na daw. Aral ako ng aral ng script. And there are certain emotions that I wanted to know kung makukuha ko siya o hindi. And sa buhay kasi natin, may mga times na hindi natin alam na mangyayari. While shooting this film, someone dear to my heart passed away. So it's my grandfather. And nagkataon na I had to shoot this scene na basta I had to shoot this scene. And first time nangyari that sina Direk, they had to go to me. Kasi hindi ko siya ma-stop. I can't stop my emotions. So, yung halo-halong mga emosyon and all of that, and the pressure of getting married that I have to fix everything all at once, nangyari siya while doing this film. So I think it helped me in a way, and I learned a lot about myself while shooting this film that hopefully it translated and hopefully maayos siyang nag-translate sa screen. I'm actually nervous and excited to watch it because I don't know kung iba yung iyak ko dito eh. As in, may laman siya. So, yeah, I just wanted to share that.
Thank you, Kim. Gerald, ano yung role mo dito in terms of keeping things professional in reference to sa question kanina?
Well, sakto rin kasi yung character dito is a supportive husband. So, actually 60 to 70% of the movie kasi is Kim. So, even sa shoot, ganun din ako. Supportive boyfriend kasi 60 to 70% of the scenes, si Kim. So, pag pupunta siya sa tent, andyan yung pagkain, andyan na yung maayos na uli yung higaan mo. So, kahit man lang doon. Kasi, syempre pag nakikita ko rin naman kasi na yung eksena ni Kim, iyak, palit ng itsura. Dalawang karakter eh. Palit ng itsura. Si Kim sa gitna ng pelikula, 3 beses, 4 na beses na niligo. Kasi kailangan tanggalin yung buhok niya, yung makeup niya, lahat kailangan tanggalin eh. So, yun. So, kahit man lang sa mga ganong maliliit na paraan makatulong.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.